Bees, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a chit chat, get ready with me, and a little bit of a life update. So I've been off YouTube for a hot minute, so I thought I would just give you guys a little update on what I've been up to and why I've been gone, but also show you how to achieve this really gorgeous look. It's not like a tutorial per se, obviously that's just like a little get ready with me, but everything I use is going to be in the description box below, because I wasn't really doing up this is the powder, this is the concealer, I wasn't really doing up that, but everything I use will be in the description box below regardless. And also, if you like the look of this wig, if you like the look of this hair, I've got a review of it, like a video back on my channel, but I'll also put a link to the video in the description box below in case you want to check that out. Also, I believe some of the footage is going to be out of focus. I didn't realise till I came to the end of filming, but we move regardless. Hopefully you guys can still like try and enjoy the video. Is a chit chat, get ready with me. As you can see, I'm already kind of like halfway through my makeup just because I didn't want this video to be too long. So setting my face with some Sasha Buttercup powder, you know how we do, whatever. So yeah, okay, so today's video is, I don't know if I said already, it's a live update. I have not filmed, I have not posted in like almost 2 months because I had exams. I literally went through the same thing last year where I kind of like disappeared for a while. But yeah, not much to update you guys on, I guess, because I don't really put so much of my life on YouTube, to be honest. I don't really post, but I just wanted to say hello, say hi, and just post a like video before I really get back into filming. So in my last life update, I was going to say a lot, but just a little bit about being inconsistent, and I feel since that video I haven't even really bloody improved. But this summer I want to be more on job, like I want to be more consistent. I want to get into routine of doing things. I feel like, you know, obviously exams are over and I don't have any like any obligations, so to say. I don't even know if I'm looking at the camera, you guys can see what I'm doing, but it's more that I'm talking. But obviously I don't really have any obligations. It's not like I have to rise in the morning and go to uni, I have to rise and revise. But I feel like it would just be nice for me to get into a routine, wake up at a certain time, you know, actually like eat breakfast. Like I eat breakfast at like fucking like 3 o'clock. Like that's not even breakfast, like that's lunch, like that's past lunch, you know what I mean? So I just want to start waking up earlier, being more productive, filming, I tried to film yesterday, didn't work out, but we moved. Here we are again today. Actually, it wasn't even yesterday I tried to film, the day before that, but here we are again today doing bits, you know, trying to do bits anyway. But yeah, I just want to do more. I really want to put more out on my channel, in as much as my channel is called BeautiByEsther. I don't actually put, obviously beauty is more than makeup, it's hair as well, and my wig reviews are like my most watched videos on my channel, as well as like my uni videos, some of my uni videos. But I want to do more makeup and that, like in as much as I scream how much I love makeup, like I don't do as much makeup as I used to. Like before I would just sit down and I would, you know, not even necessarily film, but just play about with like eyeshadow and base and all of that. But I don't really do that anymore, so I definitely want to get back into that habit. I want to work more on like my Instagram. I'm very unphotogenic though, so it's very hard for me to do such, but I want to, you know, it's not like I want to influence, I just want to, I don't know, I want to be me, GC style. I'm just trying to live my life, you know, just trying to live my life. So the look I'm going for today, this morning I proper tried to like, you know, experiment with eyeshadow, but I just decided I'm going to keep it simple. I'm going to do like a smoky liner, smoke it out with some purple eyeshadow to match the hair, and also a review of this wig on my channel. I'm probably going to say that in my introduction when I film it later on. But yeah, so I'm going to do my brows now. I'm going to do this off camera because I'm literally blind and I need to actually enter the mirror when I do my brows. And I'm sorry that I keep looking this way, it's because my mirror is here, and like obviously this isn't even like a tutorial, so I'm just trying to be very quick about it. So yeah, I'm just gonna do my brows off camera. I don't ever wear eyeliner like on a reg at all because I can't do it, but I do it sometimes just because it looks super cute, but that's only when I can actually do it. So I'm literally using this, this is from Primark. It's just a liquid eyeliner, I'm getting it on the pound, and obviously it has an applicator, but I'm going to use my own brush to do it just because sometimes it comes out a little nicer. Ooh, that's not bad. Obviously I need to fill it in. That is not bad. Obviously it's not too clean towards like here, but I'm gonna clean that up with some concealer. So I'm gonna attempt to do, this is where I always mess up because I just find it so hard to get the other eye identical. It's like same when you're doing brows, like it's just so hard to do up, you know, identical. And I'm just gonna start with a kind of flat, fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna start, you know, doing things. Now I'm gonna take another purple, which is called Modern Way, which is a nice, it's like a bright purple, basically. And I'm gonna snake that below. Anyway, as you can see, it's very messy and it's very, very like below my waterline, but it's fine because I'm gonna end up dusting most of it away later. So now I'm gonna pop on my lashes. This is a very simple look. I'm not trying to do too much, but I am gonna put a colour in my tear ducts. I just don't know like which colour I want to go with. This is nice, like for real. And then I'm gonna take a touch, just a hint of fairy tale in the middle, like that. So it's nice and bright. And I do a really harsh bronze and contour because that's what I do. So I'm going to use my Juvia's Place blush palette today, and I'm just going to go ahead and start doing that. It's going to look really heavy, going to look really strong, but that's how I enjoy it, because like obviously this is very red and this is what I use to bronze, but I like having very like colourful bronzer because not only do I like to add warmth to my face, I like to add colour as well. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's what I do. So yeah, I just apply it really messily, you know, just anyhow, jaga jaga, and hope for the best all the time. But yeah, this is what I like to do. And guys, this is the finished look. I'm really impressed with how it turned out. Simple but nice, colourful but not too colourful. I don't know, I very much like it. So I'm just gonna, yeah, go put my head on. So this is the finished look, guys. I'm deep in now that I'm looking back at the footage and it's looking as if some of them are out of focus. My eyes are very, very bad, so I can't even see when the camera's in and out of focus sometimes. So I really think it was out of focus, which is such a shame because I absolutely adore this look. But I'm still going to try and use as much of the footage as possible. So this is the finished look anyway. This is what I came up with. Just something really, really colourful, something different, but at the same time very, very simple. A little bit of a smoky liner, a lot of blush, highlight, you know. We're just doing a lot today, just trying to look cute. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, despite I feel like some of the footage may be just lost. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video nonetheless. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and hit the subscribe button down below, and hopefully I'll see you in a later video.